Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to develop from scratch a casino and game website. It means that in this website people can deposit on your website using cryptocurrency or even bank and play online games and win a lot of bonuses. There are so many reasons why you have to create a casino website or game website, because it's going to help you make a lot of money legitimately, right? So this is the kind of website that we'll be creating, and you can see that we have different kind of games that people can deposit: pool number slot, card finding, dice rolling, Elon Musk, rock paper scissors, spin wheel, number guessing. And the good aspect of this is that as an admin or the owner of the website, you can actually tweak and determine how you want people to be able to win games on your website. It means that you can give people chances of winning, make their chances of winning very, very high or very, very low. So if you want to play games on this website, the first thing you have to do is you have to register, or click on the registration button. It's going to take you to this register page, or you have to do something like when you come down here, let's say you want to play a game, you can just click on play now and it will ask you to sign in. It means that you have to create an account. So let's create an account on this website and see. So I'll create an account, and so I'm going to enter my email address and choose my country. Then I'm going to put my password. So it has strong password, right? Then I'm going to agree, and I will register. Awesome. So you see that it's asking me to verify my email, right? So it has a very robust email verification system. So what I need to do is I'm going to check my email, and when I go to my email and come here, you see please verify your email address from CasinoPed. I'm just going to click on this, and my verification code is 431160. So 431160. So you have to type it. If it's okay, it will process it and ask you to finish your registration. So just finish the registration and click on submit. Awesome. Registration completed successfully. Can you see that? So it asked me for KYC verification, right? So you can decide to add this KYC verification, or you can decide to remove it, right? So let's click on verify. Let me verify. So select one, MMA, right? So your hobby. So choose a file. So I'll just choose any of the files. So let me just put this file. I'm going to click on submit. Awesome. KYC verification submitted successful, right? And you can click here to see your KYC data, right? You can even see your attachment, you know what you added, right? So immediately you do that, and then you come to dashboard. You're going to see your dashboard. You see, immediately you register, you'll be given €10, and then you can see all of these games right here, and you can even play with your €10 that was given to you, right? So these are all the games, and I'm going to show you how you can start playing these games right now. But first and foremost, you can also do a deposit. You have a deposit system, you have a withdrawal system. So let's deposit. I'm going to deposit right now. I'm going to choose one of the gateways. So you can see I created this. You can create as many deposit systems as you want. You can accept any kind of deposit system. Have a lot of robust deposit system, and you can tweak it and create any kind of deposit system that you want, be it crypto, bank, pay stack. You want to receive money any part of the world, you know, you can even set your currency to naira, dollar, any country you are, Ghana cedis, Kenyan cedis, Kenyan currency, any country you are, you can set your currency. I'm the one that set this euro as currencies. So by the time we are creating this, I'm going to show you that how to set this currency, and we're going to create another kind of currency. So let me just say, it's a 1,000, and I'm going to click on submit. Right, so 1,000 euro, click on submit. So you have requested to pay 1,000 euros. Please pay for successful payment. Please follow. So this is the wallet address. It's paying to the account below. Okay, so I'll just assume I've made the payment, and I'm just going to upload it as the payment. Then I'll click on pay now. Awesome, your deposit request has been, you see that. So my deposit request has been seen by the admin and it's on pending. So to access the admin is just the website /admin. So I'm just going to access the admin right now. So this is going to take me to the admin page. So your website /the admin, right? It'll take me to the admin. So I'm just going to enter the admin. I'm going to log into the admin. Awesome. So this is the admin interface, right? This is the admin interface. So you can also see the admin interface is very, very robust. Can you see that? So I have pending deposit. So if I click on view all, it will take me to the pending deposit. And this is the deposit I just made right now. Can you see that? So this is the deposit I just made. I can click to see details of the deposit. Can you see the deposit? Who paid the deposit and the attachment that I attached? Right, so I'm going to click on approve, and I'm going to click on yes. Right, so you see manage users. So I'm going to see people who register without verifying their email, people who submitted KYC unverified, KYC pending. You can see that deposit pending. You can see that withdrawals, pending withdrawals. You can see all of that here. But let's just first of all go to this account and let us refresh. Refresh, you see that the payment has been approved, and if we go back to our dashboard, you're going to see that we have 1,010 euro, right? So you see that our total deposit now is 1,000, right? So now let's go and play game, right? So let's say for instance I want to do speed wheel. So I go to speed wheel. So you can see the speed wheel. So, and you can see here, this is the control of the speed wheel. So if any of these column fall within here, it makes them a winner. And from here, you can see that you can play from 1 euro to 10,000 euro. And these can be controlled from the admin. So you can decide the minimum and the maximum that they are going to play with. So let's say now I want to play with 10 euro, right? And I want to choose this red, right? And I click on play now. So processing, can you see that? So it's rolling, can you see that? So let's see. Choose red. Can you see that? You win. The result is red because we choose red. Can you see that? And when we do that, you come here now, you see that we have won. Our money, our account has been increased, right? So let's play for blue now and see. Let's say I want to put 100, right? And I'm going to play now. Processing, this time we choose blue. So let's see if we're going to win this also. We won. Can you see that? We won. Blue, right? So now let's go down. Let's go back to dashboard. So you see our money has increased. So let's go to the dashboard and then let's play another kind of game, right? So okay, let's do let's do dice rolling. So this is dice rolling. So if the dice rolls and I get these 6-sided dice, I win. I can play from 1 euro to maximum of 100 euro. So I'm just going to put 100 euro, right? So I'm going to play now. So let's see that. Oh, you see that I lost. Can you see that? Because it showed 3 and I chose 6. So if I come here now, you see that my money has been reduced to 965 euro. You see that I have lost, right? And you see the win amount is this percentage. So let's try it one more time. I want to choose 1 and I want to put just €1 and I play. You see that again? I lost. Can you see that? So this is so interesting. Let's go and play another game. So let's go back to dashboard. Let's play another game. Okay, can we do okay, let's do Elon Musk. Can actually name the game. I actually named that Elon Musk. So you see that? So if I have a head, I have a tail. So if I play my game, anyone that shows here standby means I won. So let me choose a tail and let me put minimum of 200 to 1000. Can you see that? So I cannot play less. If I say now I want to play 100 and I click on play now, see that? Please follow the minimum limit to invest. Can you see that? So I need to put 200. I need to put 200 and I will click on T and I will click on play now. Let's see what's going to happen now. Let's see if we're going to win that. You see that it showed T and I won the game. Can you see that? So it's so very interesting. You see that my money have increased, right? So let me choose head this time again and let me play 200 again. Let me see what's going to happen. I'll click on play now. Don't forget this time I choose head. You win. Can you see that? I won. Can you see that? And my money has increased again. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's play another game and see. So I'm just taking time to show you how this game works. So let's click on number slot. All right. So now the minimum here is 1 and the maximum here is 100. So I want to play 100 here, right? Enter number. So I want to choose any number you enter. If it appears here, it means you have won. So let me choose number 7. Okay, number 6, and let me click on play. So see that the game start rolling. I chose 6. Let's see. One appeared. I will win. See that I win because 6 appeared right here. This is very interesting. So I want to play another one. So let me put 100 and let me choose. I want to choose 0. Let's choose 0 and play now. So let's see. See that I lost. Can you see that? Because I chose 0 and 0 did not appear anywhere around here, and you see the balance in my account, right? So let's go back to the dashboard. Let me play one more game. These are pool numbers. Let's see these pool numbers, right? So I'm just trying to take my time to show you this game. Now before I show you this pool number, I have set, let me show you something. If we go to the admin and let's go to manage games, let's go to games. So pool number, right? Is that one I want to play just now? Pool number. Okay, let's see pool number. Yeah, pool number. Now you see this, I set the winning chance to be 100. So what that means is that if I play this game, I must win. Get it now? If I play this game, I must win. So this is where you can set the winning chance for people, right? So let's go back here and play. So if I choose any number here and I put 1000, there is no way I can lose. I must always win. So if you admin can control if you can win or if you can lose. Can you see that? I win. So if I put another 1000 right here and choose any number, I must win because admin has already set it that the winning chance should be 100%. So admin can set it that winning chance, you see that I must win. If I play it 100 times, I'm going to win. Let me put another 1000. If I play it 100 times, I'm going to win because the winning chance of this game is 100%. Can you see that? I won. If I put another 1000, you see I have 2007 here. I put 8. You see I will win again. I will definitely win. Can you see that? You win. And you see my money has increased. So the winning chance is very, very high. So let's go back to the admin again. Let's go to a game and then let's say this let's edit it. See, the winning chance is 90. So if I put the winning chance to 10, right? Can you see that now? For this Elon Musk, I put the winning chance to 10 and I click on submit. Right, so my winning chance is 10. And let's go back and play Elon Musk as a game. So you see that winning will be difficult, right? Winning will be difficult. So let's go to Elon Musk. So I play Elon Musk. The winning chance is 10. I just watch. So if I put 200 and I choose stay, I play now. I will likely lose, but the winning chance is very, very low. So it's going to be by luck. Let's see. So if you're very lucky, even if the winning chance is 10 or 5, you might likely win. You see that you lose. Can you see that? I lost. So the winning chance of that is very low. So let me put another 200 and choose stay and play now. Lose again. Can you see that? You see that you lose again because from the admin, the winning chance is just 10%. So you can set your winning chance to be very high or to be very low. Let's go back to games and let's see the winning chance of a particular game. Okay, let's see the spin wheel. Okay, let's see this dice rolling. Okay, let's see this card finding. See this card finding, the winning chance is 10%. So it means that to win will be very difficult, because the winning chance of this is just 10%, right? So let's go and try to play this game, card finding. So let's go back to our dashboard and go to card finding. Look at it, card finding, winning chance, don't forget, it's 10%. Can you see that? So let's say I enter an amount of €1. I choose this and I play. So the winning chance is low, very low. Can you see that? Winning chance is low. I cannot get that card. Very difficult for me to get this card. Can you see that? So this is how this game will work. So is there any other game that we have not played? We have played that rolling, okay. Number guessing, we have played this. So, and you can deactivate, you can say you only want 1 game or 2 games. You can actually deactivate the games that you want and the games that you don't want. So let's come back to the admin dashboard and see the features in the admin dashboard. So you see that from here you can manage games, you can go to games, you can edit your games, right? So you can put the minimum invest, the minimum you want them to play, and the maximum you want them to play, and then win amount in percentage, how much you want to give them. So 90%, or you can say I want just 30%, and the winning chance you can set it at what, 50%, or you can even set it at 0%. It means that they will never win this game. So the idea is that you can even set some, let's say you have a game, you can set, you want people to first of all play a particular game and win. I can put maximum invest, I can say minimum invest, I can say $1, maximum invest, and I can say $10. I don't want people to play much money with this game. I can put their winning chance to 90%, means that they have 90% winning chance to win this particular game. But the money they will be making will be small because they cannot put more than $10 or £10, right, or euros. Now, when they play this game and they win this game, they will like, wow, winning is sure. They play together, we say winning is sure. I can go back to the game and look for another game, like say let's see teaser. I can go back and I'll put this game, the winning chance to be like 5%. Can you see that? 5%. And I'll put minimum amount to play to be like 100, and maximum amount to be like 1,000, right? So when they play that first one, they see that they are winning. They want to play more or put more, and in that particular game you cannot put more. So they will look for a game that they can put more money, right? So that since they are winning, they want to put more money, so that they will win bigger amount of money, right? So you come here, look for this game that has high percentage of money, and you put big money, and before you see, they've lost their money. So this is how this game, people who have game site, they control games, right? So if I come to user, you see people who have registered on the site without verifying their images are there, and then also mobile unverified. So you can actually set it to accept mobile verification. So KYC pending, if I go to KYC pending, you see the KYC that I put on the site, right? Can you see that KYC? And then I can approve it, right? So, and this is my address. Can you see my balance? I can add money to my balance from the admin, right? Add extra 1,000 to my balance. So from the admin, balance can be topped. Can you see that balance can be topped from the admin? And then this is the KYC data. You can approve or you can reject. So I click on approve, and I say yes. KYC data has been approved, right? So for everybody who deposit, also you can see the pending deposit here. Can you see that this is a particular pending deposit, and you can see the details of the deposit right here, and you can approve, and then you can also reject the deposit. Can you see that deposit approved? So you can also see withdrawal, people who are placed pending withdrawals. Can you see that? So these are withdrawals. You can click on the details of the withdrawal too. You can approve or you can reject. Say approved, right? You can say approved, right? You can approve, and then you can come to, okay, let me just make withdrawal. So I played and I have money on my system, so I can come to withdraw. So you see that I can select my withdrawal method. Can you see that? I can select my withdrawal method. Let's say I want to withdraw to 1,000. Can you see that? It gives me the withdrawal details. So I'll click on withdraw. So I can enter my bank details because I want to withdraw with bank. Tell your name. Right. So all of this you can set from the admin, right? So withdrawal request successful, right? So when I come here to the admin and I go to withdrawals, okay, let me just refresh this. So I'm going to see this right here. Withdrawal requests are just placed. So I'm going to click on details and I'm going to click on approved. Right? So hey, don't forget I'm going to see all of the details that you entered there. Its username, its method, charge, its account details or crypto wallet details, right? So I can see the BTC address and all that. So I can just click on approve, pay, and I can click submit. So when I go to my account right here and I click on dashboard, and I'll see that total balance is 2008, total deposit and deposit 1,000, total withdrawn is 1,000. You see that total losses is 602 and total win I've won about 4,610, and total invested is 5,212. Can you see that? This is very, very interesting. And if I go to my email, I'm going to see that. Can you see that? So you see my withdrawal requests have been processed. So this is my withdrawal request. Here's the email notification. Can you see that? This is the email notification of my withdrawal request. So, and if I go to withdrawal request submitted successfully, when I requested my withdrawal, the account has been credited. When my account was credited, 1,000 euros added to your account. Can you see that? So the deposit is approved. When I deposited, approved. So the email notification just come here, right? Deposit request. Can you see that? So user register bonus. When I registered, the bonus it gave to me, right? So this is very, very interesting. And if you go to my account area, you go to 2FA security. You can actually add your 2FA security with your Google authentication code, and you scan this when you want to log in. If it asks you for 2-level authentication, and it also has a referral system, right? You can also set your referral in a referral link. You can also set your referral systems, right? And you can also see your game logs, right? The games, you know, that you have played, the one you lost. Can you see that? The one you won. So the winning games and the games that you actually lost. You can see your transactions right here. Can you see that? You can see your transactions, all of the games you played and how you play those games, right? And it also has the support. You can go tickets, and you can see the tickets that you have opened, right? So let's go back to the admin section. So you can actually set your KYC settings from here. Can you see that what you want them to submit, or you can actually remove everything there, right? So this is very, you can see your payment gateways, you can see your manual payment gateway, right, where you can add your payment gateways. You can also see your automatic payment gateway. You can see the advanced cash, authorized on net, blockchain, Cashman, Coinbase, CoinGate, Coin payment fiat, Flutterwave, mobile money. So you can even add mobile money. See that they have PayPal, PayPal Express, Paystack. So whichever country you are, you can set this to your current country currency. So you see that a lot of payment. You also have Booklet to check out, Stripe, and all that, right? And also have manual gateway, so you can manually set up any payment system that you want. So you can also come to withdrawals. You see pending withdrawals right here. I've showed you this before, and you can approve or pending withdrawals. So you see that. So this is a very robust system, right? Very robust system. So this is the admin sections, and you can manage users. Can you see that? You can see active users right here. So these are your active users from here, and then you can see their details right here. So you can even balance up a user. You can debit a user, and you can credit a user right here, and you can even log in as user to see, and you can even ban the user, right? So click on ban this user, right? And I say ban. So you can ban that user. So that user has been banned from the system, right? The user can no longer do anything on the system, and you can even disable his to everything authentication. You can verify him from here. You can even unverify him, right? So you can just do a lot from this. So guys, so how do you not develop this system? So I'm going to show you how you can actually put up the system in less than 20 minutes to 30 minutes or even 1 hour. You can develop this system yourself, right? So to develop such a system, the first thing you need to do, like I will always say, is that you must have a domain name and hosting, right? You must have a domain name, you must have hosting, and as you can see, this is my domain name right here, right? So this is my domain name, and then I have hosting. So you can purchase your domain name from Namecheap. Is very good. You can purchase your domain name from Namecheap. You can purchase your domain name from whois.com, right? You can purchase your domain name from Namecheap. You can purchase from whois.com. You can purchase your domain name from Bluehost. So I'm also going to be dropping my Bluehost referral link underneath this video. So in case you want to purchase from Bluehost, you can just use my referral link to purchase your domain name from Bluehost, right? So you can purchase your domain name from any of these or any good domain hosting company. So the first thing you need to do is first you have to search for a domain name. So let me search for a domain name. Let me see. So you can see gamersclubwins.com. So I can search for my domain name if my domain name is available, right? Also, you can see that this particular domain name is available. I can also go to Whois and search if this particular domain name is available. So I'll search here. If the domain name is available there, the domain name is also going to be available right here. Can you see that? So the domain name is available here. It's just $11, and here it's just $10, right? So the domain name is available. What you need to do is click on shared hosting. So please, you need a cPanel hosting. So this is like a cPanel hosting. All you have to do is just follow the instructions to purchase your cPanel hosting. You can click on get started, and then so you can now add that to the cart and purchase this domain name. Or you can see come here and you can see hosting. You can see shared hosting, right? So you can say shared hosting, and you can also choose the kind of hosting that you want from here, and then you now add that to the cart, right? So continue to check out. Okay, see, I already have a domain name, right? So you see that, so you can add a domain name and purchase the domain name, right? So when you purchase your domain name and hosting, the next thing is that you have to host this website. Username and password for your cPanel. When you purchase it, will be sent to your email. And I'm just going to log into my hosting account and show you how to develop this website right now. So let's log into my hosting account. All right, guys, so we've logged into our cPanel. So the next thing we have to do when logging into our cPanel, number one thing is that we must make sure that our PHP version is up to 8.0, 8.1, right? So if you go to your search bar, you search for PHP. For me, I have PHP 3, but in your own cPanel, you might be having something like select PHP version or PHP version. So all you need to do is just make sure that your PHP version is up to 8.1. This software is new and it requires you to have PHP version up to 8.1. So you can see my PHP version has already been set to 8.1. Just make sure your PHP version is set to 8.1. So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to click on check search for file. So this is my file manager. I'm going to click on file manager to open. And we are going to just upload the software right into the file manager, right? So this is my file manager. Then I'll click on public_HTML, right? So when you purchase a new domain name and you go to your public_HTML, you're going to see something like this. Nothing will be inside your public_HTML, just the way mine is right now. So I'm going to give you access to the file that you need to design this software, but all you need to do is to stay to the end of this video, and I'm going to tell you how you are going to get access to the file that you are going to use in designing this website. So stay to the end of this video. I'll tell you how you're going to get access to this file so that you can do exactly what I am doing, and you can enjoy all of those features that I previously explained on this casino gaming website. So, but me, I don't want to design my site on the public_HTML right away. I just want to create a folder. So I'll click on folder and I'll just do something like this. So just do something like that. So I've created a folder and I'll double click on the folder to open the folder. Then I'll click on upload. Then I'll select my file. Then I'm going to just upload. This is the casino game website file. So this is the file that I'm going to give you access to, right? So stay to the end of this video. I'm going to tell you how you're going to get access to this file. It's just about 25 megabytes and very, very small file. So I'm going to tell you how you get access to this file. If you stick to the end of this video, so that you will be able to do the same thing that I am doing and get the same features, and you'll be able to charge your client over $500K or $800 to $900 or $1,000 for you to do this kind of website for your clients. And you also can have this kind of website, a gaming website, to generate funds for yourself, where people can come to your website, they can play different kind of game while cashing for making money, and in return you're also going to be making money. Just like the football betting website, there's no way you can lose, right? You cannot lose. You will always make more money, right? So the file has finished uploading. So let me just go back to here. So I'm going to right click this, right click, then I'll click on what to extract, then I'll click on what to extract files, right? So the files are zipped, so we are going to extract the files right away, right? So just make sure you're following me and you're doing the same thing. So you click on close. So I don't need this anymore. I'm just going to right click and click on delete. I'm going to skip trash. So that has been deleted. So I'll just double click on this to open on this folder, right? So you're going to see, just make sure that everything you see here are here. If you're not here, make sure you just re-upload this, right? So I'll click on select all, then I'll click on move, right? So I'll move this back to the casino folder that I created. So if you're not using a folder, just move it to the public_HTML. But for me, I'm putting it inside the folder, so I'll just click on move files. And when I go back one more step, I'll see that my files are right here. So for me to access my website, right, for me to start this design, it's going to be this is my domain name, right? So this is my domain name. Let me just put it right here so that you see it clearly. This is my domain name. So this is my domain name. Then it's going to be your domain name / your folder, which is casino. My folder here is casino, right? / install / index.php, right? So this is how you're going to get into the installation phase, right? You're going to get into the installation phase like this. So your domain name / if you have only your domain name without a folder, so if you have your domain name.com / install /index.php, but mine is what my domain name /casino/index.php. So this is what I will put right here on the browser, and we're just going to load this file. So let's see if that's going to load. Awesome. You see that that's loaded up, right? So that loaded up right away. So but before we continue, we have to create a database because we will need a database for this. So let's go back to our main cPanel. So I'll type database. So I'll click on my SQL database wizard. So I'm going to create, I'll say Casino DB. So I'm going to click on that. So you can use any name for your database. I'll say Casino UUS. So any name you like, you can use. Or click on the password generator. So I've just copied this password. So I'm going to need this password. I'll just paste this password here, and then I'll click I have copied, and I'll click on use password. Then I'll click on create user. So I am going to copy this information right here, which is the database name and the database password, because we are going to need it, right? So you just paste that there. Then you click on all privileges. Let me remove this. You click on all privileges, then you click on next step. Awesome. So this step is very, very important, right? Very, very important. So now let's go back to our installation folder. So we just have to refresh this. So make sure our installation folder is here. So the next thing you're going to click is I agree. So when you click on agree, move to the next step. So it's going to tell you all of the things that are not right with your server that you need to put in place. So if your PHP is not even up to 8.1, it's also going to tell you that your PHP is not up to 8.1. So you have to make sure that your PHP version is up to 8.1. So, but look at what it's telling you. I say core bootstrap cache is required 0775 permission. Current permission is 0755, but we need 0775. So let's go back there. So it's telling us core. Let's open on the core. Core and bootstrap, then cache. So look for bootstrap, then cache. This is cache, right? So you said let's make cache. So you click on right click and you click on change permission. You said we need it to be 775. So you click on change permission, right? So if you click on recheck now, you will see that permission has been. So you see that permission is off. So next one is a core storage. So core storage. So let's go back right here. So let's go back one more step. So core storage. So this is storage. So change permission. So it's going to be 775. So change. So if we come here now and we check, you see that will be off. So the next one is about core storage app. So let's go back here. Core storage. So already in storage. So let's go to app. So right click and change permission. 775. Right. So what's the next one? Core storage framework. So this is core storage framework. Change permission. 775. Right. What's the next one? Core storage logs. I think all of them are here. So let's change permission. All right. So all permissions have been changed. So let's click on recheck. Can you see that? Requirement check passed. Can you see that? We just passed the requirement step. So you must pass this requirement step, else you will not be able to move. So let's click on next step. Awesome. So right now it's telling us this is our website URL and it's looking for our database information, right? Looking for our database information. So let's go right there and put our database information, right? So here's our database information. So here is the password. So let's copy this password. There's our database password. Look at it here. So we're going to put our password, our database username. So that's our database user. Is our database user. We're going to put it there. Our database name. So this is our database name. So make sure you copy this and paste. Don't type it. So the database host will be localhost, right? Database host will be localhost. So admin username, let us put what? Admin. Admin password, let's put admin123. The email address, admin email. So let's just create one admin email. So click on search for email, click on email account. So let us just create one email. So let's just say, let's create this. Let's see, admin. Right, so you generate a password, then you click. Right, so that is our. So just copy this. So that's my admin email, right? So I'll put my admin email right here. Awesome. So database details, database name, database username, database password, admin username. Don't forget this is our admin username and this is our admin password. So let's click on install now and see if this is going to install for us. Wow, awesome. Wow, awesome. You see that? Your system has been installed successfully, right? Your system has been successfully installed, and it's telling you please delete the install folder from the server, right? Please delete the install folder. So if I click on go to website right here, you see that awesome is going to take me to our website. Exactly the same thing that I just showed you. Wow, this is so awesome. So let's go back here and go to back. Let's click on back. So let's go back one more step. So let's reload this. So it told us that we must do what? We must delete the install folder. So right click on the install folder and click on delete. So click on skip. So click on confirm. So that has been deleted. Awesome. So you see that this is our website, right? So now how do we now log into the admin? Let's come here and then put this /admin, right? So use /admin. Awesome. Can you see that? So let's put our admin username. So let's click on login. Awesome. Can you see that? We just logged into our admin. Wow, awesome. So immediately you log into your admin, it's going to tell you please set up cron jobs. Now cron jobs, make your system automatically calculate and give you the desired packages, desired games, top up your balance and make everything flow fluently. So all you need to do is just copy this, right? Let me show you how to create cron jobs. So you have to copy this, then go to your cPanel, right? So let's go back to our cPanel. Let's go to the home page of our cPanel. Just search for cron, right? When you cron, you see cron jobs, right? So you see cron jobs. So you come under here, you click on this common setting. You can say once per 5 minutes, right? So use this once per 5 minutes. Is very accurate, right? So yeah, every hour you can say yes, every hour, not bad. So let's see this one at the beginning of the hour. Yes, you can say at the beginning of the hour, right? You can say at the beginning of the hour. Very good. So just leave every settings here, day, every month, right? Every hour, right? So you leave that there. Then you put the cron command here and click on add new cron. Can you see that? So immediately you add that the cron will be added. Is that okay? The cron will be added. So just add that cron there, and that's all for the cron. So let's go back to the admin. So just remove that. Let us load again. Awesome. So that will always come up, but just leave that. So now the next thing you need to do is you go to system configuration, right? So see user registration, you enable. You want to force SSL, you can enable that. Agree, for people to agree, you can enable that. Force secure password, so you can make them to use secure password, right? Make sure that they are using secure password. You can enable and disable KYC, so you can enable KYC. Email verification, you can say you want people to verify their email. Yes, you enable that. Email notification, yes. Mobile verification, leave mobile verification as disabled, but if you can set it, yeah, it's good for you. SMS notification, you can still disable it, but if you want it, you need deposit referral bonus, yeah, you can do that. Register bonus, yes, enable. Language, you can enable, right? So just choose the ones that fits what you want to do. Then you click on submit, right? So that's just going to submit right there, right? So I don't waste much time with this video. So that is for the system configuration. So next thing we're going to do is go to general settings. So when you come to general settings, so here is very important. So you give the name of your application. You give your application the name. So I cannot say casino house, right? So that should be the name. So you can change your base site color to any color you want, any color of your choice, right? Then here you see that currency symbol right here. You can see here is dollar, here is USD. So let's say I want to change it to Naira. I can just say NGN, right? So for here, I will just put the Naira itself. So I'll go to Google. I will say Naira sign. So anyone you use there is what your site will be using, right? So if you mean your site is based on Naira, so I'll just put the Naira sign here, right? Can you see that? So if I want Ghana city sign. Let's say I want to use for only the Ghana cities sign. So you see that this is the Ghana city sign. So this is here. So I'll come here, I'll just put this here, I'll say GCH, right? So anyone you want to use, just use that. But for me, I want to use the US dollar, right? I want to use the US dollar. The previous one I showed you, I used euro, but here I want to use the US dollar. So just do anything you want to do, then click on what? Submit, right? So you see this will now be changed to casino, right? So this will now be changed to casino. So the next thing I want to do, I'll go to logo and favicon. So under logo and favicon, here you can change your logo and you can change your favicon, right? So I always get my logo from name list. I always get my logo from name list. So I can say casino, right? So I can just generate my logo from here. So this is not bad. This is not bad, right? So you can redesign your logo if you want to. You can just redesign your logo. So I can just save this. Just save this. So it's a PNG. So I'll just save that. Let me go to my admin. So I can just select my logo. So I can use that for my logo. Right? I can use that for my logo. I can also change my favicon, right? I can change my favicon. So you just look for a favicon, then you click on submit, right? So you click on submit. Now, sometimes when you change your logo, you may not see the changes immediately, right? You may not see the changes immediately. So you always want to try and clear your cache, right? So let's see if those changes actually appear here. So you want to try and clear your cache to see if those changes are going to be made on your site, and you make sure that you have design your logo properly well before you use it. So you can see that those changes were made on my website. Can you see that those changes were made on my website? So you can see that awesome. Can you see that? Can you see that everything looks so nice, right? So all of these pages, everything you have on these pages, the information you can edit them. Let me just show you. You can edit those information from. So you just go to. I already showed you how this works before, but all you can do is you just go to manage session. Can you see that? So you go to manage session, you're going to see all of these white results, transaction winner. You're going to see that. So you're going to see all of the things. You see the registration page. You can manage the registration page from here. So you see that welcome to Casino. So here you can change it to Casino Home. So you can change all of the information here. Right here, and you just type to. If you want to change the image, you can also change the image. So you just do that. So from all of these pages, you can change everything about the pages of the website. You know, there's manage session and policy pages, referral section. You can change all of that. Social icon, statistics section, testimonial section. All of these you can just say about it. So you can change all of them here. You can even change all of these pictures right here. You can upload a new picture. All of this information, you can change them right here. You see that everything is very easy for you to edit. So it's just for you to spend some time here to make sure that you are changing everything. So you can go to manage templates, right? So so let's go down here. I want to just see the important settings that we need to do. So even your KYC settings, you can change them here. If you want more documents, you can put all of that there, right? So so your notification settings too, you can go to email settings, very important. Email settings, so PHP mail, so you can do test mail. You can leave it at PHP mail. PHP mail is okay. So you can just click on submit. So leave it at PHP mail. PHP mail is just very okay, right? So then you can go back to your email settings. So go back to your notification templates. So go back to your notification template and you click on edit, right? So you click on edit, and all of this information you can actually change them right here, right? So you click on go back. So you can also do, let's go to global template. Under this global template, you're going to see this logo right here. So you can remove this logo, right? You can remove this logo and put your own logo so that when they get email, the logo will be the one. So you click on add image, right? Add image from here, then choose file. So make sure you are adding your logo image, right? So you add your logo image. So you just add your logo image right there, right? So you can change all of those stuffs. Then you can click on submit. So also you can go to manage games, right? So we see the games, you can manage the games. So you can disable this game. If you don't want it, you can edit the game, right? So you see the maximum invest. So minimum invest, you can say you want $10. Maximum, you can say you want $100. Then winning chance, if you don't want people to win the game, you always want people to win, leave it at 90. But you don't always want people to win, you can put it at 20. It means you're going to make money, a lot of money. But sometimes just try to make it that people can win more and lose more in some, right? So I've already explained this, and you can also use your idea. So I explained something like this, when I was showing you this game. So they invest money, they invested, yes, give them back. Then they come here, the rules of the game, how to play. You can just write the rules of the game here, how to play this game. So just write the rules of the game, and you you can even change the name of the game, right? You can change the name of the game. So this is how you can change all of these games, and you can disable some games. Any games you don't like, you can disable the games, right? So on manage users, you can see your active users from here, right? You can see email unverified users, you can see mobile unverified user. Then you can go to your payment gateways, right? So you can see your automatic payments. Can you see that? So these are your automatic payments. You can edit them and put the API name, account email, API password, right? You can also go to your manual gateway, right? So you can add new manual gateway. Let me just add one for you. So gateway name, I can say Bitcoin, right? So I can say one USD currency. So currency, I can say BTC. I say that BTC. So rate, one USD is equal to one BTC. Or you can put the BTC rate, right? So yeah, you can say minimum amount that people can invest or deposit. I can say 100. Maximum I can say 100. I can say when they're putting, you charge 1% or you leave it at fixed charge. So but for me, I like to leave it at 0 and 0, right? So yeah, now you can say please send BTC to the wallet below. So now put your wallet below. So this is my BTC wallet, right? So I can centralize this, and I can even contribute about it, right? So I can even add new. I cannot say select one. I can say file. Select one as required. Okay, I may not require it. Okay. From label, I will not say upload receipt, right? So yeah, I can say so I'll just click here, say JPEG, click again, PNG. Now add. Okay. So optional. So I'll add. Right? So I'll click on submit. Okay, one BTC rate, I can say 1. We just put that 1 here there. So I'll click on submit. The maximum limit must be greater than 100, right? So okay, minimum is 100. Okay, so let's say maximum is 1000. Maximum they can you see that? So that has been entered, right? So just do whatever I want to do. So if I go to a manual gateway, I'm going to see that gateway enabled, and I can even edit it. So like I did before, I can see file, optional, upload receipt, JPEG, and PNG. Can submit. Awesome. So I can even go to withdrawals, right? And I can see withdrawal methods, right? So I can set up my withdrawal methods, how I want people to withdraw, right? I can also do BTC, right? Currency, I can do BTC. Yeah, I can do Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, withdraw. So minimum amount they can withdraw is $300. Maximum they can withdraw is $1,000. So you just set that one BTC is also $1. Just can put it that way. Charge. So you can say 0%. Yeah, 0%. Right. All right, so I can now click on add new, then I'll say test area, I'll say required, then label BTC wallet. So I want them to be able to put their BTC wallet. So there'll be a place where they'll put their BTC wallet when they request payment, and I'll be able to pay into that. Awesome. So you can go ahead and set maximum amount account that you want to use your USDT, your BTC. You can set this to receive in Naira, bank account, CDs, Kenyan currency, anything that you want. This system is so robust that you can actually go ahead and check all of these out and do whatever you want to do and do your settings, right? So let me just okay, let me come here and so all of the information here, they are on your front page. So you can see your home page. You can see where you can change all of these information from your from your home page, right? All of those information can be changed, right? All of them can be changed. So all of this information you see here, all of them can actually be changed, right? So let's click on sign up and see. So we said strong password. Can you see that? So if you don't use strong password, it's not going to allow you. Right? So you agree, then you click on register. Right? So you just have to cancel. I can just go to my dashboard right away and I just enter my information. Right? Now I'm going to click on submit. All right, so then I cannot do my KYC verification because I opted for KYC verification, so I just do my KYC verification. All right, but I want to leave that out of it. So right, so you see the games, and I can go to play games. Can you see that? Can you see that? Go to play games. I have $10 and I can do the withdrawal. Right, so I've already showed you. Yes, you're not KYC verified, so you cannot make withdrawal. Right. So I already showed you how all of these things worked, right? In when I started this video, and this is how you can set up this system just the way I have set up this system, and you can edit this system, to your taste, right? So I want to give you access to this, right? I want to give you access to get this software right now. So if you're in Nigeria, right here, I'm going to give you access to this software for 55,000 naira. So you have ability to use this software, as you like. You can use it multiple times, right? You can use it over and over again. And for 1 month, you can come to me if you have any issues. I can help you resolve your issues, which I know you're not going to have any issues. So if you are not in Nigeria, you're going to pay 90 USD for this software, right? You're going to pay 90 USD for this software if you are not in Nigeria. But if you're in Nigeria, you're going to pay 55,000 naira just to get the software. So I'm going to put the payment link underneath this video. All you have to do is just follow the instruction. If you want to pay online, you just click on the payment links and it's going to lead you to make payment. And when you make the payment, you can download this software online even 12 midnight. Or you can also chat me on WhatsApp, because I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number right here so you can reach me on WhatsApp. I've used my videos to bless a lot of people. Many people have become millionaires from just watching my YouTube videos, and these kind of videos you find nowhere except on this channel. So guys, subscribe to this channel and make me happy so I'll be able to do videos like this in the future. If you have any issues, chat me on my WhatsApp. If you want software that are, any kind of software, you want any kind of solution, you want any kind of website, you can also chat with me. We can design any kind of website for you. And I have a very good working team who are ready to design any kind of website and any kind of app for you. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end. My name is Ajayi Adebayo. God bless you.